Hello guys, today we are going to talk about how to use this EV Intelligent Balance Charger U6Q that is designed for the agriculture drones. First, connect the charger to the AC socket via this AC power cord. Then, insert the battery to the charger via this adapter cable. Power on the charger by pressing this button. Now we are going to talk about how to charge your battery. There are two buttons. This is for charging and other one is for storage. And here is a rotating button which can choose charging mode. To start charging process is super easy. You could hold the charge button or do nothing. This intelligent charger U5 Plus can automatically recognize the battery information and will automatically enter charging process. During charging, you can check more information from the screen such as cell voltage, charging current, capacity, and the time. When you want to exit the process, just press the button again like this. When the battery were long time of no usage, the storage function is recommended. Just press the storage button to start process. This U6Q 3000 watt 30 ampere charger supports both LiPo and LiHV batteries. To exchange the battery type is also super easy. Just hold the charge and storage button together for more than 3 seconds, then the screen will show the selection UI of LiPo and LiHV. Press the storage button to change the type, then press the charger button to confirm, and the battery type is settled. Next, we'll introduce the bullet point of U6Q. Up to 4 batteries at the same time. You can see this charger has 4 channels, and what you need is inserting the battery into the charger. The smart charger automatically adjusts the charging current when multiple channels are used. Its maximum current can reach 60 ampere when only one battery is connected. If the battery number rises to 4, the maximum current will be allocated to 15 ampere each channel.